Hello friends, two awesome Power Query tricks. It's very helpful to automate your daily work. Now all I need to you to do is watch through the video and then in the comments let me know which was the best trick and which was the worst. So if you are ready, let's get started. For our the first trick, what we want to do is to take our the address, state, pin code and country. The four columns, we want to combine them together into a single cell, but have each elements on a separate row. So what we could do is select the both of the column, is select the four columns and go to the transform tab and click on the merge column. Select the separator as a common and type the column name as a full address and click OK. Now all the columns are merged together, separated by the comma. Next, we could select the address, then go to the replace value and we could find the comma as separator and replace with go to the advanced option and replace using the special character and click on that line feeder option and click OK. Now it does look like has been any changed. However, we click on that any cell. Now all the address are the four lines in a single cell. If we were load the data into the Excel, we had the wrap text option turn on. That is exactly what we want to see in Excel. Now go to the home, close and load. Right click on it, load to as a table. Now click on that wrap text option and then you see the output of the table. For our the second week, we have the tables. They are the columns, product, region and April 24. Now the problem is that the change type step. The April 24 has a hard coded, which means that when we get to the May, June, July, our query will breaks. So how we can handle this situation? Let's start it by deleting all the change type step. Now I want to rename the columns manually as a value and click OK. Look at the table.rename column function. The April column is a hard coded. So what we were going to do is rename over the column by the position. For that we are going to delete this April and type. For that we are going to use the table.column function, table.column names. Open bracket. Now type the previous step, which is the source step. We have the original table on a source step. I type the source and then we want to rename over the column based on the position. Now the Power Query is a zero base, which means column number 1, which is a product column, is a 0, region column is a 1 and the value column is a 2. So in the curly bracket we enter the number 2. And when we commit that, you will see that we are now rename over the column without using the original name. So we can select over all the columns, detect over the data types, and there we go. We have now changed over the data types without hard coding over the column names. Thank you for watching this video.